I was looking around for jobs and I just wasn't finding what I really wanted to find. So in the spring of 1994, when Karen was pregnant with our second child, she said, you know, you've got the entrepreneurial itch. Why don't you start a business? My daughter Megan was born on April 23rd. Shortly thereafter, we sold our house. We quit our jobs. We moved up to New Hampshire and we started Rimol Greenhouse Systems. So back in the earlier days when I began as a manufacturer's rep, I worked with a few different companies where I would sell their products. They would pay me a commission on a monthly basis. I transitioned into becoming a distributor where I actually started to buy the product and resell the product. Around 1998, I was selling a few different types of greenhouses, and each company that I represented had a certain benefit to it with the design, but I could never really hone in on exactly what I wanted. I figured, you know what, I think I could make these greenhouses exactly the way I want, and we put together a plan to bring in our own steel tubing and fabricate it into freestanding greenhouses. And that's how we got our transition and our start. And that began in 1999 in our current location with just 6,000 square feet. I also believe that if I became a manufacturer and I sold it to the end user, I could be more competitive with price and quality. I could deliver quicker. We started focusing on the experience that the customer was going to have. So the initial contact our customers make with us, we want to be responsive, we want to answer questions, we want to help the customer make good decisions. We want the experience to be very good. From when they finally decide to say, I want to order a greenhouse structure, they are going to need constant communication. They are going to need quick and reliable delivery. If there's a problem, it needs to be fixed. So what's really interesting is when you look at our Google reviews, a lot of people talk about the experience that they have with us. I just want them to say, you know, this is a really good product. I probably paid a little bit more money, but at the end of the day, it was so worth it because it was such a good experience. And this is an investment that is paying off.